Okay, the heater valve, it's not an easy thing to get off here. It comes off with this 7/16 spanner at the top, and underneath there's not a lot of access, but I did manage to get a 7/16 socket on with this little thing, I don't know what it's called, and I managed to just loosen that enough that I can now get this handle on, and it does actually start to turn and probably actually twist enough for me to get enough purchase on it. So I can probably now turn it and get the spanner back on it. Yeah. So they are not easy. So I'll have to remember that when we get a new gasket on there. Ooh, that's not looking pretty in there. I tend to find they clog up a lot actually, especially with these modern additives like 4Life. I've got 4Life in another car, and yeah, this one's the same, so it completely bungs up with stuff, which is probably not good. So the first thing you find is when you operate the control, that is completely jammed, and then what it does is it actually then starts to drip, and then it lands on your distributor and can cause a misfire. Now I've not had that, but the mechanic up the road has told me that that's one of the most common faults for a misfire in these cars is water dripping from a heater valve. And they do seem to always clog up here, but I suppose they're going through such a narrow little aperture in there. But anyway, yep, glad we'll whip that off, chuck it away and get another one in there.